Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi portable photo printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to print photos using this device. So firstly, you need to open Mi Home application and find here your printer. If you can't add your photo printer to the Mi Home application, you can watch our video about how to do it. So then you need to click print photos and choose the photo you want to print. I will choose my photo. I don't want to show you all my gallery. That's cool. And now, for example, choose the photo, and now you can edit it. For example, you can change the borders, you can edit or remove. You can make it in the square. And you can mirror the photo if you want. You can disable the cropping, for example, and make it in the standard frame. Then you can set up the filter. You can use it or you can do not use it. So make it in the way you want. For example, I like cold, fresh, normal, autumn, dusk, warm. So choose the filter you want. For example, I don't want to use any filters. I like the colors on the original image. And then, of course, you can click Enhance to set up the brightness. So, for example, you can make your image darker or brighter. So just set it up if you want, of course, and then click OK and click print. And now printer will think about how to do it right now. So wait a while. Now we have the printer calibrating. Why? Because I have just inserted the new paper, so it needs to calibrate the printer. So first card will be this red card, and after that images will be automatically printed. Cool. Remove this red card if you have fast printing. So great, that's it. As you can see, it's really amazing. It's really amazing. Of course, maybe Polaroid will make it better, but it's really cool. The resolution is beautiful. The resolution is really great. Unfortunately, I can see the lines in the dark places. I don't know, did you see it or no? So the light lines are visible, but I need to tell you that it's really great. It's really great. So I really like it. I really like this printer. It's really cool. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.